this is the detergent we use in the clean our injectors. So what I did was I had the return line hooked up by accident, so I switched it to the red one, which is the pressure line, and I hooked it up. I took the fuse. I also took the fuse out. So to get to the fuse, is the fuse right here. So you got 1, 2, 3. You have 4 rows, and it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's in the 4th row, and it's the 6th fuse, which is fuse 37, I believe, because I looked in the book last week. So pull the fuse. So now the fuel pressure can't get too high, so that's why I took the fuse out. So now everything is running, injectors are cleaning, so we all set, and I'm gonna let it run for like 30 minutes, and then we should be good. Right now I'm in lab, so that's why I look like this. So yeah. I've been had it running for like a good 35 minutes, but it kept shutting off and on. So I set the time at 35 minutes. So now it's cycling with no problems. It's not shutting off. But I have a code. I cannot figure out what's wrong with the car. It's getting me very upset. Yep. Okay, so I got the spark plugs right here. I'm changing these right here. They're kind of like, I don't know, but they kind of looking like it's kind of finished, but not really. Still got some life on there, but I'm just gonna change it. And I got the VVT solenoid, the P0011 code I had. I'm gonna change that and see the code go away. We checked the last time I had power and ground, and we used the scope, and we commanded the PCM on. It grounded because it's grounded inside the PCM. So once we turned it on, it went straight to ground, and we checked power. It was good. And I'm replacing my coil, my spark plugs, because I'm having a random misfire. So I'm not sure what's causing that. So I'm just gonna replace the spark plug. I know these are upgraded coil packs, so I'm not sure if these would ever go bad because they're upgraded. Audi R8 coil pack, so I'm not sure if they would go bad, but I'm gonna change that and see if the misfire go away. So yeah. So 15 minutes later, everything is done. I installed the spark plugs. I installed the VVT solenoid. The old one is right here. This is the old one right here. And this is the company I went for the VVT solenoid. Is you got the P0011 code. I got these from FCP Euro. Shout out to FCP Euro. They're the best because you get warranty on everything. Okay, what else? Okay, so now I just moved it a little bit. That's because I have to use the Zeus. Okay, the Zeus. So next is just to clear the code, take it for a test drive, and see if it like it's supposed to. So right now I'm just turning on the mouse and everything. I don't even have a battery charger on. I gotta flip the camera. Hold on. Spark plugs are in. The new VVT solenoid is in. I'm gonna see if it's still throwing the P0011 code, and I also gotta change my thermostat too. It's bad. I don't want to do that again. Last time I did it, it took me 2 days, and I had to get a motor swapped over, so I didn't use the new thermostat I had on my other motor. So I might just pay a shop to do that because I don't have no time to spare right now. 2 days, that's a whole lot. So yeah. So we finally got it out. He's putting it back together right now. Everything is out, but look at the bad axle. Look, that's real bad. That's bad right there. If your axle is doing that, just pop it out and order some new one and put it in. This side wasn't that bad, but I still, well, still bad, but I still changed it. But this one got hella play in it, bro. Look, this one is like freewheeling right now. So bad axle, we changed them. This one was kind of challenging because we had a limited amount of space on this side, but brand new axle on that side. This side, everything is buckled back up. We torqued them to spec, so everything should be good for now. What I'm about to do is go put these in the garbage and start cleaning up.